Both the pause media and stop media triggers will stop an audio or video file, but they're not the same. Remember in the timeline video, we talked about the play, pause, and stop icons in the bottom left corner? The pause icon stops the timeline and holds it at that exact point, while the stop icon resets the timeline back to the beginning. The pause media and stop media triggers work the same way. When you include a pause media trigger, Storyline will pause the audio or video right where it is. When the lesson starts the media again, it will continue from that same point. However, if you replace the pause media trigger with a stop media trigger, Storyline will stop the file and return it to the beginning. So when the lesson restarts the audio or video, it begins playing from the start. Here's a quick example. Let's say you have a branching scenario where a short video clip plays after each learner choice. If you want the learner to pause the clip midway to read additional information, you'd use the pause media trigger. But if you want them to be able to completely restart the clip from the beginning, for example, after reviewing feedback, you'd use the stop media trigger instead.